Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Developer. I request you, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you are already a subscriber and watching my videos, I really appreciate and thanks you for supporting me in my YouTube journey. And please double check that you also have double clicked on the bell icon so that you are getting the latest notification, right? So in my last video, we have installed the JDK and JIE in Ubuntu operating system using the VirtualBox, right? In this video, I will be going to show you how you can install the VS Code IDE for starting the development with the Java code on the Visual Studio Code, right? So let's get started. So in the Ubuntu, you already have an Ubuntu store. You can use the Ubuntu store, that is App Center, or you can directly click over here. So inside that, just type on the top side of the window in the search box, that is VS Code, and the first application that the code will be comes up, it will be over here. Just click on it and click on install. It will ask the password. Just enter the password and let's wait for this VS Code to be installed and get downloaded. So it will not take too much time. It depends totally on your internet connection speed and stability of your internet connection. So it is already get installed. So let's open that. Let's wait for it to be open. It will take some time. So VS Code is being open. Now go to these particular extensions. In the extensions, just type Java and click enter. So first option will come extension pack for Java. So click on that and you will be installing all the required extension for the Java development, right? So please wait for that time that we are installing the Java extension pack for the VS Code. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. It is taking some time to install because it is installing so many other extensions also. So extension pack will automatically install the required thing. So it is a extension pack has been installed successfully. Now go to this particular explorer and you will be having that create Java project option, right? Let's get started. Let's try to create some dummy project, like so it will be some no build tools are required. Okay, so it is saying that traffic extension collecting data. Okay, that's fine, right? So it will be just a basic tool. So let's create that file in the document folder, and here the project Java project name will be like you can say mm, tutorials. Okay, let me create that folder. Here you will be having the, okay, it is asking for the trust. Just trust all these files in the parent folder. Just click on the yes, and this is just a project in which the src folder and the app folder will be there. And when you will be creating that Java project, a default class will be created over here with the main method, with the having the hello world in this is out, right? So let's try to run this application. Don't worry about this code, I will explain you later on the Java related videos. But this is just I am checking it because I just want to be ensure or help you to understand that how it will work and is it successfully installed, that are we able to run this Java application or not, right? So over the here you will see the this button, right, run button. Just click on it and it will be launching that app, and in the terminal it will be running that, and you can see here that hello world program is our working fine. So means Java JDK is installed correctly, JI is also working fine, and also the VS Code we have successfully set up the Java so that we can run the code and can check the output in the terminal, right? So thank you for watching my video, guys. Bye for now. Take care, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to my channel.